What's wrong, CeeCee?
My cousins hurt my feelings.
Well now, it ain't no fun when there's no sun. Especially when someone breaks your heart.
I thought that our love would last forever, but now you tell me that you're leaving me behind. You are all that I've been living for. I just can't understand why you wanna leave me this way. So tell me why you wanna break my heart. So tell me why you wanna break my heart. My desire was to be with you, hoping that our love would grow strong and true. You promised our love would last forever. Now you're telling me you don't love me no more. So tell me why you wanna break my heart. So tell me why you wanna break my heart. I just gotta know. Before you leave, I need to ask you one thing. So tell me why you wanna break my heart. Tell me why you wanna break my heart. I tried to do all the things that you wanted me to do. Still, you wanna break my heart. So tell me why you wanna break my heart. Tell me why you wanna break my heart. Tell me.
Thank you for watching CeeCee and her curious cousin Lexi. If you enjoyed today's adventure, you can hear more of our original music on the album Shrewd by Anthony and Company featuring Ida. Available on Apple Music and CD Baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for our next adventure.